want something to brighten up your life? Do you have a fetish for torchlights? Are you looking for everyday carry torchlight? Then you are at the right video. Olight has sent me this torchlight. This is their new torchlight called Seeker 3. It is 3500 lumens. The battery can last long for 12 days. It has a 220 meter of max throw distance, means you can, it's a rugged torchlight, means you can throw and knock someone down as well. Okay, let's open it up and check it out. Let's see how powerful it is, how useful it is, and we can also see how they design and other things as well. So without further ado, let me open the box. Okay, we have opened the box. Then we have two products or two torchlights inside. One is this i3E. This is a tiny torchlight. When you buy the Seeker 3, this is sent as a gift from the Olight, which is good. Good stuffs, free stuffs are always good. This is a tiny powerful one. It works on the single AAA battery. This 90 lumens and stuff. I'm not going to go into explain further on this. So this is just a free one. If you order the Olight Seeker 3, you will get this one. So our focus is on Seeker 3. Let's go inside the Seeker 3. Okay, before I have removed the plastic cover, before I go inside, let me go through the specification. Throw is 220 meters, means you can throw this 220 meters. Let's say you drop somewhere from a building or something, you won't break, and it's 3500 lumens. So let's go inside and see how it looks like. It has a kind of magnetic opening. Yeah, it's a magnetic opening. Okay, let me open it up this way. Okay. Okay, it has a nice welcome message. What it says: thank you for being a part of our Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy. Simple but powerful message. So opening from here, let me open it up. Okay, so it's like this. You open like this. Okay, that's it. The torchlight is inside. Let me take it out. Okay, the plastic drop. It feels a bit heavy. Let me put it aside. Then let me see what's inside here. Okay, even there's a thank you inside when you open it up. Very nice. This very nice way of appreciating customers who buy your products. Okay, inside is the USB cable. Let me open it up. We just need that. Okay, the magnetic charging cable is here. Then there's also another cable. What's this cable? No, it's not a cable, it's just a kind of lanyard. Then they have few user manuals and stuff. Okay, let me put this aside. Then let me take the torchlight out. Let me put this inside as well. Okay, let me show you the torchlight. So this is the front. This is how it looks like. This is the back. This is where the magnetic charger goes. Let me show you. Quite powerful. Then the button is here. Power button is here. It has 4 lights inside, 4 LED lights. It has a very good grip. You can see the grip of the handle is designed in that manner that you can grip properly. It has a very good grip. This charger reminds me of Apple's MagSafe, which they brought back in their 2021 MacBook Pros. Okay, this side is USB-A. You can connect to any USB-A power socket. This side is the magnetic charger. You can connect to any power socket which has 1 ampere, 1.5 ampere or 2 ampere output. I'll connect to normal power socket and see the charging, how it works. I have this Samsung power socket. It has output of 2 ampere and it has output of 1.5 ampere as well. So this requires either 1.5 or 2. So this will be compatible with this charger. So you just attach here, then connect to the main power socket. Okay, let's see how it works. So we connect the charger. Then it's green here. Green means it's more than 60%. Orange means 10 to 60%. Red indicator means 5 to 10%. If the red indicator blinks, it's less than 5%. So that's it for charging. It's very convenient. You remove it, you put it here. That's all. It's automatic like as I mentioned, it's like MacBook MagSafe. It's very convenient. I can do this whole day. So that's all for the unboxing and testing indoor. I'll do some outdoor testing. I'll attach those videos after this.